Today we're going to talk about consonant Y. So Y acts both as a consonant and a vowel. Earlier lessons on diphthongs discuss how the Y sounds as a vowel. This lesson will focus on Y as a consonant. As a consonant, the Spanish Y has two common sounds. Depending upon the region, the Y might sound like the English Y, the word yes, or J in the word um, joy. So let's look at some examples.
Listen and repeat.
Yo,
I,
ya,
already,
mayo,
me,
mayor,
older. Alright, so
apoyar,
apoyar, to learn, or to lean, apoyar.
arroyo,
Arroyo, stream.
Listen and repeat.
yo,
I,
ya,
it means already, yeah.
mayo,
Maya means May.
mayor,
Mayor means older.
apoyar,
Apoyar is to lean.
arroyo,
Arroyo means the stream.
Listen and repeat.
yo,
Yo is I.
ya,
Ya is already.
mayo,
Mayo is May.
mayor,
Mayo is older.
apoyar,
Apoyar is to lean. And last one,
arroyo.
arroyo is to stream. Alright, so we have finished yet another exercise, and the pronunciation seems to be pretty straightforward. So in the next video, we'll be looking at consonant Z. So until then, see you next time.